Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
First this evening, there are renewed calls for the government to quickly restore the St. Anne birthplace of national hero Marcus Garvey.
The matter has received fresh attention given that U.S. President Joe Biden has pardoned Garvey.
Andrea Chisholm has details.
This is the birthplace of national hero Marcus Messiah Garvey, located at 32 Marcus Garvey Way in St. Anne. The site was declared a national monument in 1992 and has welcomed hundreds of visitors over the years. Michael McCoy has been living in the area for roughly 55 years.
Yes, everybody around here kind of cut up about it, Yeah, people don't really kind of say the house should be in better condition. You understand? But should the government take so long? They take so long for do what they do. You understand? They will come every year and promise that they are going to do this, they are going to do that, and nobody don't fulfill their promise.
For over a decade, different administrations have promised to restore the home, but it's yet to be done.
I know that the house that he was born in is being restored. The individuals that were on the property were given houses in civil. One sister have taken up the house and the other one is contemplating. I spoke with the minister, Olivia Babdi-Grange, just yesterday. She had said to me that something that she's going to move on this year because it's so important. It's been dragging for some time because the one particular, and it's only one individual that is holding back.
Mayor of St. Anne's Bay, Michael Belnavis, said he recently spoke to the individual.
The individual said to me just a couple of weeks ago that she was prepared to give up the fight and really take the house from the government so she could move. The government could move on acquiring the property and really putting up a nice structure which is fitting for a national hero.
Until full restoration is complete, residents continue to celebrate news of Marcus Garvey being pardoned. Garvey was convicted of mail fraud in the United States in 1923 and sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. Former U.S. President Calvin Coolidge commuted his sentence in 1927, but stakeholders have been lobbying to clear his name. Now that former U.S. President Joe Biden pardoned Garvey, one man wants people to continue being inspired by Garvey's teachings.
What is this going to do for all of Garvey's children psychologically going forward? Is going to be exponential. Only history could tell. So we feel very honored and privileged. All people who are in their own psychological slumber need to take Garvey's words seriously and profoundly to say, rise up. Rise up, up, ye mighty race.
One of the many powerful quotes from Garvey, up, you mighty race, accomplish what you will. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.